Hi Honda lovers, welcome back to my channel Info News.
Honda GL1800 Gold Wing 2024-2025. Honda GL1800 Gold Wing 2024 is a two-seater touring. The GL1800 Gold Wing is powered by a 1833 cubic centimeters engine and has a 7-speed gearbox. The Honda GL1800 Gold Wing has a seating height of 745 millimeters and curb weight of 383 kilograms. The GL1800 Gold Wing comes with dual disc front brakes and disc rear brakes along with ABS. Over 11 users have reviewed GL1800 Gold Wing on basis of features, mileage, seating comfort, and engine performance. GL1800 Gold Wing top competitors are K1600 GTL, K1600B, Street Glide, and R18 Bagger.